I think that's an important thing to have a list of some kind of, this is my network. So my family, my friends, and kind of who would you invite to a wedding or a funeral, or the people that are kind of close to you enough to know who you are. And then you can start reaching out to them and say, hey, I'm opening up my practice. If anybody needs anything, here's the areas I'm going to focus on, and let them know. They may not be the people that have the legal need. They may not even be in your same state in a lot of cases if you have extended family that live across the country or the world. But the fact that they know their friends in their community that may know somebody is always a good thing. And again, you're not soliciting, you're just kind of educating folks on who you are and that you're open if people have that need, making that aware. LinkedIn or some program like that, or social media, can be a good way to handle that announcement as well, and or connect with people that you may be interested in learning more about their practices. So if you're trying to develop an estate planning practice, reach out to someone and say, hey, can I get an informational meeting on the calendar? And grab some coffee or grab lunch or something along those lines, and just learn from you about how you got started and what worked for you, what didn't work for you. Do you have any suggestions for me? Seek out those relationships from a mentoring perspective, as well as a potential referral partner for conflict work down the road. Or maybe they handle a certain area and they don't want to handle a different area of level of practice, and that could be a good resource as well. Or if they have a conflict, a scheduling conflict, right? You've covered a lot of hearings for people in different counties. I've done the same, where the lawyer may be a different law firm, but they don't have coverage at a particular venue that I'll be at. You can cover the hearing for them and help out in that way. So lots of opportunities there. Like you say, I think that the important thing is to be a little creative about it, but take that action, because the sooner you act, the sooner the opportunity is for there to be a return on that action. Otherwise, it just never will be there. Like you say, it could take 6 months, it could take 6 years. You don't know.
Yeah, and along with that, I think that there are a lot of these bigger conglomerates or what have you that um, they get hearings. A lot of them are collection hearings, and you can sign up to be an attorney that handles those hearings. And as long as you are a licensed attorney in the particular state that they need, you can handle the hearings, and you might get $100, you might get $200. If you get lucky, you'll have like 7 hearings, and you'll get paid 300, $400. And if you don't have anything else to do, that'd be a good thing to do. So you can look for those platforms, and I know that there is some referral work through Law Clerk that you can use. You can sign up to be an attorney on that. Maybe an attorney needs you to draft a will. You could draft that for a lower rate, and that attorney is able to charge his regular rate. You can just be creative with those entities that are already seeking out attorneys that need work to do, and you can find a little bit of a stream of income to tide you over while you're trying to find your own clients that can come into your own office and meet with you.